Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Oceanview on Beach Fort Lauderdale, located in resort, large 2-bedroom corner unit, partial Oceanview. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Oceanview on Beach Fort Lauderdale, located in resort, large 2-bedroom corner unit, partial Oceanview with city views. Oceanview on Beach Fort Lauderdale, located in resort, large 2-bedroom corner unit, partial Oceanview, is located in Fort Lauderdale and has a restaurant, a 24-hour front desk, bar, garden, year-round outdoor pool and sun terrace. Complimentary Wi-Fi is available throughout the property. The condo hotel provides guests with a balcony, sea views, a seating area, cable flat-screen TV, a fully equipped kitchen with a fridge and an oven, and a private bathroom with shower and free toiletries. A dishwasher, a microwave and stovetop are also featured, as well as a coffee machine. A business center and vending machines with snacks and drinks are available on site at Oceanview on Beach Fort Lauderdale, located in resort, large 2-bedroom corner unit, partial Oceanview. Golfing and cycling can be enjoyed nearby, while a car rental service and a private beach area are also available on site. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.